Ever see a deal online that looks too good to be true? Before you click buy or add to cart, here's a quick 10-second trick to avoid getting scammed. Go to scamadvisor.com, type in the website you're checking out. And boom, you get a trust score between 0 and 100. The lower the number, the sketchier the site. You'll also see why it's low, like if the owner's info is hidden or if the site was just created last week. These are huge red flags for fake sites. Now, check a non-legit site and you'll see the difference. Full transparency, high score, and more trust indicators. Takes seconds, saves money. And if you're ready to go beyond avoiding scams, hit the link in my description to join the 14 days OA Challenge at oachallenge.com. In just 2 weeks, you'll learn how to turn online arbitrage into a reliable sourcing system for your Amazon business. You'll get live training, replays, Q&As, and even a 7-day satisfaction guarantee with a $50 inconvenience bonus if it's not a fit. Whether you're just starting or scaling, the OA Challenge gives you the confidence to buy inventory that actually makes money.